Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial. Today we will install Python and its ID PyCharm. So get ready. So first, before we start, I want to tell you all that we will be using a lot of commands. So get ready, grab your black hoodies and open up the terminal. So first, if you are using an Ubuntu system, there are a lot of chances you already have the Python interpreter installed on your system. To check this, type pyth and press tab. Based on the version installed on your system, it will show Python 3, which means it is Python 3.6 or the third version of Python. On your system, your commands may look like this, like Python space -v. -v indicates the version of Python 2. Once you have determined which version is installed, and the next step is, if you want to install a newer version, then start with this command, that is sudo add apt-repository space ppa:/jona thon, that is Jonathan, f/python -3.6, then again space, then press enter, then enter your password. Now the repository, that is Jonathan/repository, is being added. Press enter to continue. Once this is done, the repository is added. Now the next command is to update our repository sources. So type sudo apt update and hit enter. Make sure your internet is working. Then again, now we will install Python 3.6. So type sudo apt space install install Python. Again, if you hit tab, it will auto complete, but we want Python 3.6, so manually type it. So here it is, Python 3.6, and press enter. As you can see here, I have already installed Python 3.6. In your case, it will not show like this, but it will start installing. So it will first download and install. Now our Python 3 has been installed. To check it, type Python 3 and hit enter. Now we are in an interactive Python interpreter shell. Here you can type your Python script and execute them. For example, if we type it here like this, sorry, the print statement is wrong. Let me correct it. Python, there should be brackets. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So our Python interpreter is working, but we are not going to use this shell for writing long programs, so we must install IDE. So press Ctrl C to exit. Now there are two ways to install the IDE, that is PyCharm, or the easier way and the hardcore way, or command through way. So first open Ubuntu Center for the easy way. You can find Ubuntu Center pre-installed on your system. Open it, search for PyCharm. Here you can see there are three versions of PyCharm: CE means Community Edition, Pro is Professional Edition, and EDU. For our demonstration purpose, we will be installing Community Edition. Just press enter, click on it, and this is our Community Edition. Community Edition has all the resources we are going to need. So we will be installing it. We can see here developer is JetBrains, the company which has developed the PyCharm. Okay, the next step is just click on install and nothing much. Give your password and you are done. It will install Python and you don't have to worry about it anything. But we are not going to install it in this way. We are going, if you want to install, you can just click on install and it will be done. Today we will be doing this through command line. So close it, again open terminal and type the command sudo sudo space snap space install PyCharm. We are installing Community Edition, so PyCharm hyphen community hyphen hyphen, there are 2 times of hyphen, then classic, and press enter. Now you can see it is downloading. It is around 280 MBs, so it is going to require some time. It will download it and install it. So let me pause the recording. We will skip this downloading part. Now it's almost done, 96%. Okay, downloading is done. It will install automatically, you don't have to do anything. Now it is installed. Now there are 2 ways you can go and search for PyCharm community. I have also installed EDU, therefore it is showing 2 icons. Click on the Community Edition and it will install. Or the other way is through command line, type PyCharm hyphen community and hit enter. It will launch the PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, this is the initial settings. Tick on do not import settings, press OK. Now you have user interface theme. I prefer the darker one, which is Darkula. Note that it is not Dracula, it is Darkula. I don't know why, but it is. You can select here and next. Now here are some plugins. If you know the Vim editor, you can install if you want to use the Vim editor inside PyCharm. If not, don't do anything here. These are some other plugins. You can install them later. Just for now, leave them as it is. Click on next. Okay, so the initial settings are done. Let me minimize this. Okay, here it is, the PyCharm welcome page. So you can open or create a new project. We are going to create a new project. Give it a name, give it some name, whatever you like to the project, and click on create. Now the PyCharm is installed and ready to use. Click on Scratch and Consoles or File and open. Now open a Python file here. Run Python, and now you are ready to type in some Python code and run it. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Thanks for watching.